Welcome back to English Podcast Academy.
Hello everyone, I am Noah.
And I am Clara. Today, we are going to the supermarket.
A supermarket is a big shop. You can buy food, drinks, and many other things there.
We go to the supermarket every week. It is part of our routine.
A routine, remember, is something you do regularly. The same things at the same time.
And if the speed feels too fast, tap the settings icon at the bottom right of your screen. You can slow it down anytime.
Okay, let's go. We are outside the supermarket now.
I can see the entrance. Entrance means the door where you go in.
I take a shopping cart. A shopping cart is a big metal basket with wheels. You put your food inside while you shop.
Some people use a shopping basket. A shopping basket is smaller. You carry it in your hand.
I prefer the cart. More space.
Because you always buy too much.
Maybe. Let's go inside.
We are inside now. It is bright. Bright means lots of light.
I can see many aisles. An aisle is a long path between shelves. Shelves are the flat surfaces where products are placed.
The supermarket is big. There are many sections.
A section is a part of the supermarket for one type of product. The fruit section, the bread section, the drink section.
Let's start with the fruit and vegetables.
I can see apples, oranges, bananas, tomatoes, carrots.
I pick up some apples. They look fresh. Fresh means new, not old, good quality.
I need carrots. I take a bag of carrots.
A bag, because carrots come in a bag at the supermarket.
Not all vegetables come in bags. Some you can choose individually. Individually means one by one. You pick exactly how many you want.
I pick up 3 tomatoes. 1, 2, 3.
Good. Let's move to the bread section.
I can smell the bread. It smells wonderful.
Wonderful. Very, very good. Beautiful.
I want a white loaf. A loaf is a whole piece of bread, not sliced yet.
I prefer sliced bread. Sliced means already cut into pieces.
Each to their own. Each to their own means everyone has different preferences, and that is fine.
I take a sliced loaf. Perfect for toast in the morning.
Now, the dairy section. Dairy products come from milk. Milk, cheese, butter, yogurt.
I need milk. I take a big bottle of milk.
A bottle, because milk comes in a bottle or a carton here.
A carton is a box made of cardboard and plastic, like orange juice sometimes comes in.
I take some butter and a yogurt.
Yogurt. I love yogurt.
Plain or flavored?
Plain means no added flavor, just yogurt. Flavored means with a taste added. Strawberry, vanilla, mango.
I take a plain yogurt. Simple. Good.
Now, drinks.
I need water. I take 2 big bottles of water.
I want orange juice. Fresh orange juice.
Fresh. Made recently, not from concentrate. Concentrate means a thick liquid you mix with water.
Fresh juice tastes better, but it costs more.
Cost means how much money you pay for something.
Sometimes fresh things cost more than processed things.
Processed means made in a factory, changed from its natural form.
Okay, I think we have everything.
Wait, I need pasta.
Pasta. Of course. Let's find the pasta aisle.
Pasta is in aisle 4. I can see it on the sign above.
A sign is a board with words or pictures to give you information.
I take 2 packets of pasta. A packet is a small box or bag containing a product.
Good. Now, let's go to the checkout.
The checkout is where you pay, at the end of your shopping.
There is a queue. A queue is a line of people waiting.
We wait. It is not very long. 3 people in front of us.
In front of means before us, ahead of us.
Now it is our turn.
Hello, did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. Everything was easy to find.
Do you have a loyalty card?
A loyalty card is a card from the supermarket. Every time you shop, you earn points. Points can give you discounts later.
A discount means you pay less money, a reduced price.
I have a loyalty card. I show it.
The cashier scans all our products. To scan means to pass a product over a machine that reads the price.
The total is $32.
I pay by card. By card means using a bank card, not cash.
Cash means physical money, coins and notes.
I prefer paying by card. It is faster.
The cashier gives me the receipt. A receipt is a piece of paper that shows everything you bought and the price.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
We pack our bags. To pack means to put things into a bag.
And we walk out. Out means through the exit. The exit is the door where you leave.
The opposite of the entrance.
Exactly. Entrance, you go in. Exit, you go out.
Let's review the vocabulary from today.
A supermarket. A big shop where you buy food and other products.
A shopping cart. A large basket on wheels used while shopping.
An aisle. A long path between shelves in a shop.
Fresh. New. Good quality, not old.
A loaf. A whole piece of bread.
Sliced. Already cut into pieces.
Dairy. Products made from milk.
A carton. A box made of cardboard and plastic.
The checkout, where you pay at the end of your shopping.
A queue. A line of people waiting.
A loyalty card. A card that gives you points and discounts when you shop.
A receipt. A piece of paper showing what you bought and how much you paid.
A discount. A reduced price. You pay less money.
Exit. The doorway you leave.
Your challenge for today. What do you usually buy at the supermarket? Write one sentence in English in the comments.
For example, I always buy fruit and milk at the supermarket. Or, I go to the supermarket every Saturday.
We read every single comment. Write yours now.
If this episode helped you, please give it a like. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Ring the bell.
New episode every single day. We are here for you.
This was English Podcast Academy. I am Noah.
And I'm Clara.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.